Welcome to My Bike Thing, your destination to begin your hand-built cycling adventures. My name is Paul, and I thank you for watching. This frame represents a stunning look into the era of Italian cycling. Remember breaking away? Yeah, then. Pronounced Bottechia, it's a vintage professional frame set from the late 1980s, roughly 1989 to 1990, and built during the legendary Carnielli era when the Carnielli family owned the Bottechia brand in Vittorio Veneto, Italy. This is the same workshop where Teodoro Carnielli first gave Ottavio Bottecchia, Italy's first Tour de France winner, his racing bicycle back in 1920. What first caught my attention with this frame was the gorgeous Italian paint job and its purple to yellow fade. Now, this is original factory paint from almost 40 years ago, and it's absolutely breathtaking. The decals celebrate Champione del mondo, World Championships from 1966 through 1989. This frame's going to be a joy to build. Italian threaded bottom bracket, standard 27.2 seat post, threaded headset, and for no extra charge, an adorable frame pump nipple to hold your Silka. The condition is exceptional for its age. There's one light scuff mark on the purple section of the top tube, and between the chainstays there's some typical tire rub. The Columbus Aelle steel will deliver that buttery smooth ride quality that Italian frames are famous for. This isn't just a frame set. It's cycling history you can actually experience, a feel that can't be duplicated by carbon or aluminum. It's ready to build and go back in time with you, when muscles and sweat were the only things to get you up the hill. And here's to the build. Tailwinds.